I have just started a new German YouTube channel. In order for me to get paid for my videos, there are 3 things that I need to do. I need to monetize my videos, I need to verify my account, and 3, I need to activate AdSense. After that, I can get paid. I'll also show you how to check your AdSense account, just in case you're curious about how much you make. So what you want to do is go to Video Manager. And as you can see, it is public, but there is no monetization icon displayed here. Now, if you want to monetize your videos so you actually get paid, you need to go to Channels, which is right here on your left-hand sidebar. Click on that. Your account has to be in good standing if you're just starting up YouTube or if you've just been doing a few YouTube videos. So here where it says monetization, you want to click on Enable my account. Now, it is advisable, of course, to read through the terms and condition. I would say the most important thing here is, of course, the fact that you need to use original content. You know, make sure that all of your videos don't contain copyright music as well as copyright content from other videos, really. Check all of these different options here and then click Accept. So these are the usual ones that appear on videos, so just leave it as it is and then click on Monetize. And that's it. That's how easy it is. You got that? Okay, let's skip here. Monetization under review, it says here. Fair enough. Now I'm gonna click on Edit. So if you don't have that icon showing yet, what you can do is click here on monetization. You want to make sure that monetize with ads is checked. So if it is like this, it means that your video is not monetized. If it is like that, so checked, it means your video is monetized. Again, make sure you leave the overlay ads and skippable video ads checked as it is, and don't worry about sponsored cards. You know, just leave it as it is and save changes. Alright, so that's all done, but you're not finished yet. So this is really important. So what you want to do is go to Channel again. Here where it says you must verify your account before you can offer paid content. Now we need to verify. Let's do that. Verify account. Select country. So I'm gonna select Spain because that's where I am at the moment. Let's do here, text me the verification code. I'm gonna add my telephone number in here now, okay? And submit. I'm going to get a code sent to me in a minute, hopefully. Okay, now I'm going to add this verification code into this area here. Okay, submit. So congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. The next thing that we need to do, there's one more thing that we need to do, which is to activate AdSense account. So there are 3 steps, right? The first thing was to monetize videos. We've done that. Second thing is to verify account. We've done that. Check. Third thing is to activate AdSense account. Let's do that now. Click on this and then click on Next. So I have got other YouTube channels, and that's the email address that I'm using for my new YouTube channel. So it depends on your case and whatever email address you want to use. If you want to create a new account, so a new email account, then click here, create or use another account. But in my case, I'm going to click on Yes. So this is just for email account. Content language, English. I'm going to say yes. That's it, guys. Now my video is completely monetized and it has been linked to AdSense, so I can actually get paid for the content that I post on my German YouTube channel. Yahoo! Fantastic. Now let me just have a look quickly at this video again, because before it wasn't monetized. As you saw before, it was yellow. Now it is blue, which means it's monetized. And I've also got my custom thumbnail here as well. So once you have started posting videos on YouTube and you want to check your balance at the end of the month to see how much you've made, this is how you can check. Type AdSense into the search area and then click on Google AdSense. And here you can check your finalized earnings, and this part is where Google shows you what you earned the month before. Now the way it works for me is on the 12th of every month, Google sends me a earnings report, so it tells me how much I've earned, and on the 24th of every month I get that sent to my bank account. That's how it works. Thank you guys for watching this, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel where I share lots of tips on how to YouTube and website better.